Hello everyone. So in this video, I'll quickly share what techniques I actually follow to enhance my Power BI report and make it more attractive for my clients or for my users to open the report and get to use it. Let me share you an example. So okay, let me remove myself. Yeah. So as you can see, this is actually a Power BI report and it is actually something related to a retailer and a supplier and their relationship. And I actually did some of their KPI reporting and many other stuff. But this homepage is actually quite special because it is completely based on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and including or merging all these three. I was able to curate this homepage. So in this homepage, like all these buttons are working. Like if I click on this button, then obviously it will take me to the report guide page. This report guide is also special because it is also curated by HTML, CSS, and JS based one single DEX measure. And obviously for the actual visual, I'm using HTML content by Daniel Patrick Marsh. So going back to the home, so you see this is a very nice looking 3D model. And if I click on this, what am I looking at? Then there is a very cool, nice animation of card flipping, and it actually gives you all sorts of information on what is actually being shown or what is actually being indicated via this nice looking 3D model. Okay, so now how do I do this? So first thing first is that I go to Claude Design, and at first, what I did is that I shared the very basic, level of design that I had, and then I told him that I need, 3D object and things like that. So redesign it. So once it redesigned it to me, then I, download it as a project HTML as a zip file, and then using Claude Code, yeah, and then using Claude Code and using PBIP file format, I basically curated the Power BI reporting and this kind of Power BI report designing. So here are a couple of things you need to be aware of is that you have to use specific Claude Code plugins or skills. So the plugin and skills I use is actually the Power BI agentic development by Kurt Bowler. He has a very nice, very intuitive, and very knowledgeable YouTube channel, and its name is Data Goblin. So I basically installed this plugin set and skill set in my Claude Code, and I genuinely, sorry, and I regularly use it, and I also stay up to date with all the updates he's been pushing onto his thing. So overall, this is actually my very shortcut, um, how to say, tips and tricks in order to make it work. So let me know if you are trying this out and if you got out your desirable result. See you in the next one. Bye.